I'm Grace.
So let's get started.
I'm a recipe blogger, family-taught home chef,
Cheers.
Cheers.
iPhone-only photographer, and proud New Englander.
Did you know that my mom, when she was pregnant with, I think it was me or maybe Mary, my sister, all she wanted to eat was radishes. So maybe that's why I like them so much.
Was she a rabbit?
Like a little bunny.
Was she a bunny?
Ready?
No. Oh my God. Cut. Speaking of radishes, what are you supposed to do with radishes? I mean, you buy these and it's like, okay, do you eat this little stem thing? Do you eat the celery stalks on top of it? But, you know, luckily.
I like eating radishes just with salt. That is like my favorite way of eating radishes because you can really like taste the hot spiciness. But my second favorite way of eating radishes is just in this simple salad. It has a little fresh parsley, chives, lemon, really simple, really nice and light, and it's also a really good little coleslaw on tacos for the summertime.
Ooh, that's
too.
true. So
So we're starting off
with radishes.
with a pile of radishes.
They are beautiful.
They are pretty. So all you want to do is you're going to take your radish and you want to take the top off and you want to take the bottom little weird little root thing off.
Can I try?
And it usually comes in a bunch, so that's why there's this kind of like green top on the top. Top on the top.
Top on the top, just
Top
like
on
this?
the top.
Boom, boom. So you want
Yes,
to...
just like that.
Okay, all of them.
And then, yeah, just try not to take off too much of that bottom
Oh,
and too
no
much of the
problem.
top. Just a little bit.
Okay,
And then we're gonna set them all aside.
okay.
Oh my gosh, look how cute.
Oh, it's a little baby radish.
Woo, woo, woo. Look at what Eric did.
Beautiful.
I'm so proud. He smelled the radish.
Fresh.
Okay, so you can just take your knife and you can make really thin slices of radish. So you can just take your knife and do thin slices just like this, and it'll take you a little bit more time. Or if you have a mandolin, you know I love my mandolin.
I do.
You can just take your mandolin, which is meant to thinly slice, and you'll have beautiful
So
thin
fast.
slices of radish.
Ooh, can we share a radish?
There's not enough. I was supposed to have 20 radishes and there's only 15.
Oh my gosh.
And now there's 14.
Let's keep slicing. Well, that was a trip.
Wow.
Look at how beautiful.
You're such a speedy radish chopper.
Thank you, my love.
So,
But the
next
chopping's
up-
not over, am I correct in that?
Yeah, the chopping is not over. So you can obviously just leave your radishes like this, just thinly sliced. But what I like to do is julienne them, which is make them into little matchsticks.
I know how to do that.
So all you want to do is you want to take your radishes, stack them in a nice little stack, and then may I show the people?
Of course.
And you just want to cut tiny, tiny, thin little slices, just like this.
Nice.
And look at that on your knife. They're like little matchsticks. How cute. And then
very
we can
cute.
put all of our matchsticks into a bowl, just like that. And I'll have you do the rest.
Oh, thank you, love. So gracious of you. You just chopped the living daylights out of these radishes. The radish limbo?
How low can you go?
My knees are giving out. I'm old now. We're cutting parsley now?
Look at the camera. Cute parsley bangs.
Oh my gosh.
Would you like to cut the parsley? Oh, whoa. Okay,
How's that?
so all we need is about 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped parsley, and that's going to add a nice fresh lemoniness and just an herbaceousness. It's delicious. I love Italian parsley. It's so much better than the curly parsley. It doesn't have any flavor.
I agree. I love parsley in this.
But yeah, I would do a pretty fine chop.
Okay.
This is probably a little much,
Oh.
but let's do probably about,
Oh, geez. That is just wonderful. Let's just cover that right up.
Let's try that again. I would say just about, like that.
Okay,
Is
looks
what
good.
we need. And then, do you want to do this too?
Yeah,
I
I'm
feel
just
like
gonna
it
keep
really-
chopping. Yeah.
Yeah, you're just like in the.
I love
mid-chop.
chives. Our chives are starting to blossom out there. Oh, you're scissoring it. Thank you. Oh no. So why fresh chives and parsley? What's the deal with both here?
So I like chives. They're another nice spring flavor, and they're just a mild onion. So, like I've seen radish salads with like a red onion in it, but to me, chives are just the right balance. They're a little sweet, they're a little oniony, but not too much.
Agreed.
So about 2 tablespoons.
Okay. Chives down.
We've made such a
It
mess.
is a sea of green specks. Chives and parsley.
So, next step is to make a little vinaigrette, a little bit of acid to brighten up your radishes. So I have a little bit of lemon here. You don't want too much, maybe about 1.5 teaspoons or so.
Looks so good.
And then just a little bit of white wine vinegar.
Makes all the
You
difference.
can use like white balsamic, which is a little bit more mild, or even red wine vinegar. But white wine will keep your salad true to color. It won't, stain it more red if you're
True to
using
color?
red wine. Drink it.
I would. Give it to me.
A little bit white wine and just a little dash of olive oil just to bind everything together. I can't stop smiling.
Is this the mixing spoon? Crank it, lank it, girl.
Does this have caffeine in it?
I feel crazy. How much radish have you had?
And a little
Salts.
salt. And you can go ahead and toss that together.
Toss it up.
And if you want a little extra something in your salad, you can add just a touch of black sesame seeds.
Oh, that's cool.
And the black sesame seeds have a really nice kind of like toasted sesame flavor, and it'll add a little, I don't know, pop of something, a
Fancy.
little Asian flavor if you like that kind of thing. So I'm gonna add a little bit of those in there. Oh.
And that did not work out.
Salad time.
Beautiful salad.
Salad time. Salad time. Salad time. How much have you been eating?
Oh, I almost finished that thing.
I saw you. He likes to take the big
Oh. I'm not cleaning that up.
taste time.
Cheers.
So fresh. So simple.
That's how veggies are supposed to taste. So delicious.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
It's time for the big spoon. No more little spoon. Check this out on tastygrace.com.
You won't regret it.
Chugga chugga choo choo.